Contact with the undercover agent posing as a soldier at the base. He'll pass you a cassette tape containing classified information. Start by taking a look at the agent's VI on your iDroid. Once you've spotted him among the Marines, make contact and get that cassette tape. Thing is, he's not one of us, so don't let your guard down around him. One other thing, boss. I've been told you can also use the watchtower on the west side of the base to contact the target. Just climb up there and turn the searchlight on. Once he sees that, he'll come to you. Once you've identified him, approach him and grab him. That's the contact sign.
The map has been updated. The map has been updated.
There goes the signal. The target shouldn't be long now. Look around carefully. Take a look at the target's face on your iDroid so you'll know him when you see him. This is the target. This job. It came through a cutout, but I have a feeling the client is the Joint Chiefs of Staff. After all, the chairman has a lot of faith in you after Peace Walker. In other words, the agent you'll be contacting has been ordered by the nation's highest-ranking military officers to spy on a military base. That base doesn't follow American, Cuban, or any other law. Somebody wants themselves a place where they can interrogate POWs as they please without being held to the Geneva Convention. A black site. Something is going on in Cuba's little America, far away from the eyes of Washington. And the truth behind it all should be on that cassette tape. Make contact with the agent posing as a Marine. Check his appearance on your iDroid. There he is. That guy's the target. Too bad he isn't alone. You could either eliminate the enemy, or wait till he's by himself. Good. The target's alone now. Make contact with him.
Huh. Oh, you gotta be...
Put the target to sleep, huh? You can't put him in a hold when he's unconscious. Carry him somewhere out of sight, then wake him up. Good kick to the body should do it.
Spit it out.
You're here for... No! Hey, not so tight, huh? I put everything on a tape. I don't have it on me. It's in the central control tower, edge of the admin building sector. I needed to stash it. Had eyes on me, and these guys, they don't work for Langley. He's... you know...
Huh?
Forget it. You watch your ass, too. All right. Come on, do it.
You better keep moving, boss. Confirm the location of the central control tower. It's marked on your map. There's the place. The cassette tape is supposed to be at the central control tower.
Understood. Stay alert. Don't let him get the drop on you. Out. CP, this is Zulu 10. Just saw a suspicious person. Gonna check it out. Over. This is CP. Understood. Keep your guard up. Out.
The map has been updated.
Ops been blown. Were we set up? Did the agent set us up? We've got the tape. Get out of there and make it fast.
Mission info has been updated.
boss. Looks like they've set up checkpoints. If you plan on escaping by land, you'll have to slip through somehow.
The map has been updated.
CP, this is Zulu 10. The enemy got away. Starting a search now. Over. This is CP. Understood. They can't have gotten far. Stay alert. Out.
You can always exfiltrate by land, but how will you get past those checkpoints?
All fire teams, this is CP. We are engaged with an enemy force. All units prepare for combat.
Continue out of the mission area to complete the mission.
All available manpower to backup. Repeat, send backup now. Out.
Retrieval complete. Great work as usual, boss.